Alright, so in November 2022, I went and bought this Mini first. Accident damaged category S. This car should have been scrapped, but they didn't. They put it on the auction and I found it. I thought it was cheap. I bought it for $1,200 and added another $300 for transportation to get it home, and it got home. So I'm back today with my car, the Mini Cooper, the Mini first, and they have finished fixing it. So here it is on my drive. Wow, didn't know I could switch cameras while I'm talking to you guys. You're looking at me and looking at the car, all in the same video. Cool shit. So anyway, this is my car now. As you remember, the right side was dented in, the door. I replaced it. I put a black door on, got painted. They took it off, painted it. So here's what it looks like. See, can't even tell it got painted, can you? Well, it's a very good finish as well. They didn't just spray it, they really went out and scraped the old paint off and painted it. And they did the same thing with the wing. If you remember, this front panel here got done. So now, and they matched the color very well. So now here's the car. The dent that was on that side, they pulled it and then painted. And this side here, this bumper was damaged. They put filler on the little cracks, repaired it properly and painted it. The main damage was on this quarter panel. There's no filler here, it's all metal. So anyway, they didn't just put filler, they cut off the old one and put in a new part, painted it, pulled this one here, painted it. So now my car is done. And to see what a good job they did, look at the seals here. Look at the seals here. They opened them and resealed them back up. So no damage there. And there was never damage to my boot space. As you can see, no damage there. So it was a job well done. So overall, I got charged £800 to put this right. It was very cheap, but it took 4 months at the body shop to get done, because this was a side project for them. They had other big insurance jobs, so they would just go to work on my car whenever they had time. So that's why it took so long. But overall, I'm happy with the car, and now it's ready to go. And let's go on the inside. Here we are in the car, very clean. They didn't make my car dirty, so that's good. Usually, you know, it will be all dusty and stuff. So key in and start. The battery is a bit weak, but for a car that's been parked up in 4 months. What's that? Light bulb. What light bulb is that? No lights on the dash. Alright, so is this the reason why? No, it's not that. Thought it was the internal lights. Anyway, we'll figure out which bulb it is. But yeah, this is my car, 58,000 miles on the clock. It's got a new MOT on it, and now it's ready to go to its next home, to its next person or family, and my job is done. Thank you very much for watching.